The Manors at Lake Ridge, Tega Cay, new homes for sale from Toll Brothers. Hey, it's Roger Holloway with Prosted Realty. Wow, this is something you may not know about, as Bill O'Reilly says, the Manors at Lake Ridge. Now, you know where Baxter Village is. This is kind of behind Baxter Village, and Lake Wiley's right there. You're coming off of exit 85 off of 77. You know, Kingsley is over here, the new development, and then Baxter Village with all of their restaurants and little shopping and very cool homes all through here, including that Baxter Close YMCA. And so here's what you got. The Manors at Lake Ridge, let's dial in a little bit to it. These were homes that were built on a very serious topography from D.R. Horton's Emerald Homes. If you stay till the end, you'll see, get some video of that topography and get a feel for what it looks like. Well, back here on Forsythia Lane, Toll Brothers picked up, I don't know, maybe 20 or so lots. And they've got a couple of spec houses available right now in the $600,000 range. I got a call yesterday from the Toll Brothers representative. Now, again, I would strongly encourage you not to reach out to Toll Brothers or to their on-site sales rep because you deserve buyer representation. And that's what I do, and that's what my broker partners do. We'll help you in the purchase. There's no extra charge to you because Toll Brothers is going to pay our fee. So they've got some beautiful lots, and we'll show you a couple of houses that are for sale right now. This one is their Ellsworth 2 model home, which is coming in over 3,300 square feet. It's definitely a 5-bedroom, 4-bath house, and it's the country elevation. Ellsworth, Roman numeral 2, country on Forsythia Lane with a Tega Cay address. Tega Cay, you know, right up against the lake. But guess what? The schools, Gold Hill Elementary, Gold Hill Middle, and Fort Mill High School. Oh, that's good. That's real good. So I want you to give me a call, and if you say, hey, I would like you to go shoot a video of this new construction home in the Manors at Lake Ridge, Tega Cay, new homes for sale from Toll Brothers, I'd be glad to do that for you. And they're selling, but I would love to help you and represent you and tie all that together. Now, the other spec that just got listed is the Grayfield Westbrook elevation. The Grayfield plan is also a 5-bedroom. It's a 3-bath plan, and it's coming in well over 3,500 square feet. Both of these are priced in the 600 to 625 range, closer to 600K. And they're in the Manors at Lake Ridge, Tega Cay, new homes for sale from Toll Brothers. Be right behind Baxter Village with all that beautiful amenity, including you've got Kingsley right here, easy access, exit 85 to all things Charlotte. I would love to help you with it. We'll go pick a lot. I'll walk a lot. If you're out of town and you want me to walk some lots for you or help you from a distance, I can do that. And the Manors at Lake Ridge. So give me a call at 704-345-3400 and let me make this happen for you. Or just go over to rogerholloway.com and search for the Manors at Lake Ridge. I'll see you in the next video. We'll talk real soon.